The most important interaction you ever had with somebody is your first one. Why is it so important? If it wasn't important, bro, you would have clicked off this video already. To other niggas that already clicked off, nigga, fuck you. You don't see this shit. They already have an image of you for the second one. They already have an image of you. They already see you in a certain type of way. You don't need to impress people. Because me personally, I'm not here to impress you. Fuck that shit. I don't give a fuck about that shit. I'm just here to bring out a message. Every person you talk with, every person you interact with, you gotta leave something in them. They're like, damn, I don't know who that nigga was, but that nigga cool as hell. I appreciated even the slightest conversation I had with him. Even the tiniest bit. Yo, this video that I just watched, I don't know who this nigga is. I'm probably not even gonna subscribe. I'm not even gonna watch another video, but damn, that nigga was speaking though. That nigga spoke from the heart. The nigga was hard as fuck. That's how every interaction should be. You gotta see this game of life like trying to sell something. Let's say you see a girl and you're like, hey, how are you doing? I'm John. Nice to meet you. Like, bro, the next time she gonna see you, what the fuck? Next time she see you, the next time she gonna see you, bro, she gonna think, oh, that's that guy that couldn't even talk. That's that John, that weirdo. Even though you completely switch your game up, she's gonna be like, nah, I know this nigga. This is the image I have of this man in my head. That's how he is. But if you're like, hey, what's up? My name is John. Nice to meet you. I just saw you across and da-da-da-da-da. And you start speaking with power, speaking with conviction. You feel me? Confidence, slow, steady, your own pace. Whole nother interaction you will get. It's not even only about women. It's about any person you meet. The way that you talk to them, the way that you stand, the way that you move, the way that you have your frame, your demeanor, your positioning. That shit has all effect in somebody's mind. And it might not even be conscious. It might be subconscious. It might be in the back of their head. They don't even know that they think about it, but it just happens. So that's why I'm saying to you, bro, always have a strong first impression. Always talk in a certain way that you leave with power. You have, like, I don't know how to say this shit correctly. Like, I'm still learning how to speak with conviction in my voice. I'm still trying to learn how to use my voice correctly, especially in English, because English ain't my first language, right? So sometimes I'll just be fucking that shit up, and it's a process. Speaking more English again and again. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get smoother. And for me as well, the way that I use my voice is also important, because if I only use the same motherfucking tone, you're gonna be like, this nigga boring as fuck. I can watch like 3 minutes of this nigga. But if I actually learn how to speak better, speak differently, use different tones, you can watch me longer. And by that way, the first interaction is pretty good. You're gonna be like, damn, that nigga kind of good. He actually talked about the video the way that he should have. I actually learned something. I'm actually gonna move right now. That's making a good first impression. I was trying to make the best first impression, and not for the other person, for yourself, bro. Because you are somebody that they shouldn't. You're somebody that they should respect automatically just because of the way you are. And of course, respect is earned. And if you're wondering, how should I do that? How can I make my first impression powerful? How can I make my first impression good? There are certain things that you can do, man. Step 1, have a better physique. The better your physique is, the stronger you come over. Because it's also a sign of discipline, of hard work, of patience, dedications. Something money can't buy. Something that doesn't come in a day. It takes time. So people automatically respect you more. So your first impression is gonna be more powerful from the get-go without even saying a word. Like, if somebody looks at you, they can see that nigga work for that body. He got it. She got it. Second, the way that you speak. It's just something in your voice. You speak with conviction. You speak without trying to prove something to somebody. Let's say you talk to a girl, you don't have to be like, hey, my name is Dara. I have 2 cars and I live in a penthouse and da-da-da-da-da. Nah, you don't have to prove nothing. Just say, yo, my name is Dara, nice to meet you. Just saw you cross and I thought you were looking good. Da-da-da-da-da. Just do your own thing. I know that shit was mid as fuck. I'm not the wrestler. Like, I got no type of risk. I'm just trying to use an example. You feel me? But if you don't have to prove something to somebody, they're gonna be like, damn, he's confident in himself. He doesn't feel like he needs to prove something to me. What type of man is he? I would say those 2 things are like most important. Also body language, the way that you stand, is also important. The way that you look at people, also very important. All those things give a good first impression. So I would say to y'all, like, work on those 3 things. Work on your physique, learn on the way that you speak, and learn on your body language. If you can master these 3 things, you can talk to anybody. Literally anybody. If your physique is good, if you can actually talk to people correctly, like if your body language is good and you talk in a way that actually is intriguing to the person, you're gonna be undefeated. You can go in any route you want. You don't need no college degree. You don't need no motherfucking $1 million. You can raise up any girl you want. You can talk to any person you want and experience life. You can become interesting, bro. I swear to God, that's just the way it is. That's just the way it gotta be. And I might not have these attributes at the moment, but in a couple of years, bro, you're gonna see the same video back and you're gonna be like, damn, that nigga really spoke it into existence. He really said everything that you have to do. He applied the things that he said. And guess what? Now he is him, nigga. Right now, I'm not him, but in a couple of years, I will be him. I don't know where to look at. Do I look into the lens? Am I looking into your soul right now? I don't know. Or should I look at this? Now I'm looking at myself, but maybe I'm not looking at you. If I look like this, do I look like I'm looking at a video? I don't know where to look at either way. That's what I'm trying to say. But it's gonna be alright, you feel me? Either way, bro, it's DaRealest, aka Dara, you feel me? Peasant or king, you decide. If you find it hard to self-improve, let's improve together, bro. On this channel, we strive for greatness. This is my journey to become DaRealest, to become my best version of myself. And yeah, man, you're gonna join the journey and ride along with me. You're gonna get to the best version of you as well on this channel. Of course, no bullshit. I still don't know where to look at. Tell me in the comments, do I look over here or here? Hey man, say man, it's been DaRealest. We out.